In a small village surrounded by a lush green forest, two siblings, Lily and Leo, lived with their loving parents. One sunny afternoon, they stumbled upon a hidden path they had never seen before. As they explored the forest, they came face to face with a majestic tiger, Raja. His fierce roar made them tremble, but Raja surprised them with his wisdom.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we're going to create two unique characters and show you how to maintain their consistency throughout an entire AI-generated movie.
And the best part, we'll be using free software to make it all happen. So without further ado, let's dive right in and get started.
First, go to meta.ai and here you give a prompt. Meta has given me these 10 scenes. Okay, now I will have to head over to ChatGPT. Okay, now I am in ChatGPT. Here, go to this Explore GPT option and here you'll have to type clip-art free, consistent character. And you will have to go to this option and you'll have to open it. Well, I have already used it, so it has come right after this ChatGPT button in the left hand side. So I will directly come here. And then here you'll have to give this prompt. After giving this prompt, just copy this entire thing. Well, don't worry if you could not follow the complete prompt. I will be leaving all these prompts in the description. And then simply hit this send message option. And just wait for a while when they will create the prompt scene by scene, keeping both the characters consistent. Okay. So like this, they will be creating all 10 cells. So first things first, we will be just copying these each prompt. Simply copy these ready-made prompts and let us go to step 3. Step 3 is go to MiniMax AI. I will be leaving this particular website link in the description.
Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2,000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part.
At this moment, MiniMax is in their beta version, so they do not have any price option here. But soon they will be coming with their pricing and subscription based option. Okay. First, go to the second option. Here, you will have to just paste your prompt and you can keep this magic prompt on, and you also have an option to upload your images. Okay. So first we will be creating a video directly from the prompt. Then we will in the second option we will be trying to create the image from another free software and uploading them here. Hit create option and you will be asked to continue with Google. So I'll just log in. Okay, now I have logged in. Now I will hit create and just wait for a while. It might take some time to generate your video. Once that gets generated, it will come in mine section. Okay, so let us wait for a while. Now let us go to the next way. Go to Leonardo AI. Go to Closeup option. Now here simply go to image creation option. Go to take the first prompt and just paste it here. And from here left hand side you may choose how many number of images you want. I'm taking 2 for the time being. Photorealistic on. Then other fine-tuned models will not be activated. Otherwise you may keep it off. Another option is I will show you in the next part another option. So anyway, I am keeping photorealistic model on. And then here 16:9 will remain selected and simply hit generate. This is one way. Now see, here is something called legacy mode. Okay, if I keep it off, so Leonardo AI has created these two images for the character reference. Go to this upscale option and you can upscale it further if you want. And here also another keeping the legacy mode off. If I just paste that same prompt, and here you can have different type of platform preset. Here you can keep this phonics model on, or cinematic kino on, or lifelike vision on. So I'll keep cinematic kino on. Okay. And then here you will have to choose 16:9. I will prefer to go for quality, but if you are using a free account, you will have to go for fast. But I would prefer to go for quality. And again, two images are okay. If you go to advanced settings, you have some more options, like you can take any of these options. I would like to go for Dream Shaper. Let me check. Okay, Dream Shaper is not there. So I will like to go for Leonardo Lighting Excel. Okay, so after all this, you just hit generate and wait for a while. See, here in Cinematic Kino, they have created a similar kind of image, but a different feature. Okay, again, same way you can upscale it if you want. Ultra upscale, alchemy upscale, and other. So I would like to go for ultra upscale only and just upscale it. Okay, and you may close it. Leonardo AI has given this option, like after giving a task, you don't have to really wait for that page. Now, let us create the second character. These are the character references. We are just creating two characters first. Here, I will create the second character, keeping the same settings on legacy mode, and keeping the legacy mode off also, I'll keep the same setting on. Now see, they have created this image. Okay, this is just the character reference, guys, which we are creating. Okay, so this is the brother's image, so I quite like it. So I'll just need to upscale it. I will upscale, ultra upscale, but if you are using a free account, you might not get ultra upscale. You might have to go for alchemy upscale. Now let us go to the second prompt. Okay, the scene 1's prompt. Okay, so now I will simply paste this prompt. This last part we really don't need, because we are not creating it for in Midjourney. Instead, we will go to the top left hand side corner and go to this character reference option. Here, from your generation option, first this one, confirm. We will have to merge these two images. Okay, so what should we do? We will go to Canva. So I'm just taking one thumbnail ratio, upload the images, go to the left hand side corner and upload those images, these two files, and open. Now you will have to simply take this photo and this photo and just make half an hour. Now if you have Canva Pro, then what you can do, select the image, go to edit photo option or edit option, and here in Canva Pro you have something called magic grab. When you can just grab the image and go to grab option. See, these two characters have come. Now you can delete this. And same way, if you want to make this as background, set it as background, and that will capture kind of the entire scene. Magic grab option and grab the images which you want. Got it? So this is what I wanted. Now I will download this picture. You can even make it more brighter. You can just select them, go to edit option and make it little bright if you want from here. Okay, if you want, you can make it little brighter, but don't worry, the brightness, contrast, everything will be changed once the new image gets generated. Okay, now go to share, download, from here PNG, from here only the current page, done, and download. Okay, now go to Leonardo AI, cross this. Since we are allowed to take only one image, that's why this extra step you'll have to take. You'll have to go for. Now you'll have to go to your uploads option, upload image option. From downloads, I'll be taking this image, open. Okay. And here rest everything will remain same 16:9 and go generate. Now, I will be uploading the images which I have generated from Leonardo AI. So I'll take the first scenes image once again, where they're taking selfie. Okay, and here I will be pasting the same prompt. The first scenes prompt. I'll simply copy the prompt. I'll paste it here, and I will just remove the part. It's not required. Okay, and then generate. So it will take a little while for MiniMax. Meanwhile, I want to show you the similar process I have followed for Hyper. Hyper AI is again a free AI. I have created another video on Hyper AI before. You may refer to that. And here, if you go to create option, I'll be giving all these links in the description. So if you go to create option, you go to this option, you have different options. Okay, text to image, text to video, image to video, expand, enhance, and video to video. So I have taken image to video, and then similarly I have given one image here, and I have given the same prompt here, and then hit create. Here you have some more options, like you can go to settings, and here you have seed number has to be random. You can maximum go for 4 seconds long video, and it does not take much time to generate as well. And here HD quality will be getting, again I have taken zoom out effect, and then you can hit create. So like this, when I have created, these were the videos which I have got.
In a small village surrounded by a lush green forest, two siblings, Lily and Leo, lived with their loving parents. One sunny afternoon, they stumbled upon a hidden path they had never seen before. As they explored the forest, they came face to face with a majestic tiger, Raja. His fierce roar made them tremble, but Raja surprised them with his wisdom.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is, they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is, they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is, they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Shriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now, I have been coaching more than 2000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube masterclass. See you live.
So I being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being an YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.